Starting a dropshipping business on Shopify represents a unique blend of entrepreneurship and e-commerce with a minimal upfront investment. This model allows you to sell products to your customers without holding any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, you buy the product from a third party, which then ships it directly to the customer. Here's a detailed guide on how to start a Shopify dropshipping business, understanding dropshipping before diving into the specifics of starting your Shopify dropshipping business. It's crucial to understand the dropshipping model. Dropshipping is appealing because it eliminates the need for warehousing, reduces the risk associated with unsold inventory, and allows for a wide range of products to be offered. However, it also means lower margins, reliance on third-party suppliers for product quality and fulfillment, and high competition. Step 1. Niche selection. First step in creating a successful Shopify dropshipping business is selecting a niche. This involves market research. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and social media platforms to identify popular and rising trends. Look for niches with high demand but not oversaturated with competitors. Interest and expertise. Choose a niche you are passionate about or have knowledge in. This will make it easier to curate products, write compelling descriptions, and communicate with your customers. Profitability. Evaluate potential profit margins. Consider the cost of goods, shipping fees, and any additional expenses such as custom, packaging, or branding. Step 2. Setting up your Shopify store. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that makes it straightforward to set up and manage your online store. Here's how to get started. Sign up for Shopify. Visit Shopify website and sign up for an account. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial, allowing you to explore its features without commitment. Select a theme. Shopify's theme store has numerous options. Choose a theme that aligns with your niche and has a responsive design for mobile devices. Customize your store. Tailor your store's look and feel by customizing the theme. Add your brand logo colors, and create a layout that enhances user experience. Set up payment gateways. Configure your payment methods. Shopify supports various payment processors, including PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify Payments. Step 3. Sourcing products and suppliers. Finding reliable suppliers is critical in the dropshipping business. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Spocket can connect you with suppliers worldwide. Supplier research. Look for suppliers with high ratings, positive reviews, and a track record of reliable shipping and quality products. Product selection. Choose products that fit your niche. Consider factors like shipping costs, availability, and how well they align with your brand identity. Sample orders. Before listing products on your store order samples. This allows you to assess quality and packaging and take your own product photos. Step 4. Adding products to your store. Once you've selected your products and suppliers, create product listings. Add products to your store with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing. Be sure to optimize product titles and descriptions for SEO to improve visibility. Set pricing. Your pricing strategy should account for the cost of goods, shipping, taxes, and your desired profit margin. A common approach is to aim for a 50 to 100% markup on the cost price. Step 5. Legal and administrative. Set up before launching. Ensure your business is legally compliant. Business registration. Depending on your location, you may need to register your business and obtain a seller's permit or business license. Understand tax obligations. Familiarize yourself with the tax regulations in your country and any other countries you plan to sell to. Set up policies. Create clear return, shipping, and privacy policies. Shopify provides templates to help you draft these documents. Step 6. Preparing for launch. Before officially launching your store, test everything. Place a few orders to test the entire purchasing process from checkout to delivery. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and your website's content to improve your store's search engine ranking. Set up analytics. Install analytics tools to track your store's performance. Shopify provides built-in analytics, but you can also integrate Google Analytics. Step 7. Marketing your store. With your store set up, focus on driving traffic and converting visitors into customers. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to reach your target audience. Consider influencer partnerships to boost credibility. Content marketing. Create valuable content related to your niche. Blogs, posts, guides, and videos can attract visitors to your site. Email marketing. Collect email addresses from your site visitors with their permission to send newsletters, promotions, and personalized product recommendations. Paid advertising. Use paid ads on Google, Facebook, or Instagram to target potential customers. Start with a small budget and scale up based on performance. Step 8. Managing and scaling your business's orders. Start coming in. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, resolve issues efficiently, and gather feedback to improve your offerings.